Hi guys, BlackNight here. Tonight I will show you how to disable start-stop function on new Skoda Scala 2005 1.5 liter petrol turbo engine. So we will enter instrument cluster. Okay. Then we will go to long coding. Always you need to know which of these to try. Sometimes skip is enough, sometimes diagnostic firewall is a need. After this, we will go in, yes. Here's seatbelt warning. We will tap on off and then save. And the coding is yet done. Sometimes it can help, sometimes not. You always need to try. If you have any questions, call us. Bye.